This is how you lose her, even if she wanted to be yours. Women don't always leave because they stopped loving a man. Many times, they leave while their heart is still attached because being with him became too heavy, too disappointing, too lonely. And the truth is, most men don't even realize how they're losing her until she's already gone. So today, we're breaking down the quiet, everyday mistakes that turn a woman's love into distance. Because no matter how much she wanted to be yours, if you do these things, you'll lose her. 1. Ignoring her effort. Nothing kills a woman's desire to stay with you faster than feeling unseen. C. Women don't just give love through words. They express it through small, consistent acts of care. She cooks for you. She calls to check on you. She worries about your day. But when you dismiss those efforts, when you act like it's nothing, you're silently telling her that her love doesn't matter. At first, she'll keep giving, hoping you'll notice, hoping you'll finally appreciate her. But over time, that neglect doesn't just hurt. It drains her. It makes her feel invisible, and it transforms her love into pure exhaustion. And here's the hard truth. When a woman feels unvalued, she doesn't argue forever. She detaches. The very same woman who once wanted nothing more than to be yours will one day wake up with no fight left in her heart. And by then, it won't be another man that took her from you. It will be your own neglect. 2. Taking too long to choose her. You don't always lose a woman because you did something wrong. Sometimes you lose her because you took too long to do what was right. Nothing kills a woman's desire faster than hesitation. Even one who is ready to give you her whole heart, you lose her by dragging your feet when it comes to making her yours. Let's be real. Hesitation reads like uncertainty, and uncertainty makes a woman feel insecure about where she stands with you. You might think you're taking your time, weighing your options, or making sure the timing is right. But from her perspective, every day you hesitate, her confidence in you starts to shrink. And here's the harsh truth. While you're busy overthinking, there's always another man out there who sees her worth immediately and doesn't waste a second, showing her he's sure. That kind of decisiveness is magnetic to women. It makes her feel chosen, valued, and secure. Meanwhile, your hesitation plants doubt in her mind. If he can't decide on me now, will he ever? And once that doubt takes root, even if she wanted to be yours, she'll slowly start detaching. Because in her eyes, love should feel certain, not like she's waiting for you to make up your mind. 3. Breaking small promises. Here's the thing most men underestimate. It's not the big betrayals that usually push a woman away. It's the small, consistent disappointments. You told her you'd call back, but you didn't. You promised you'd be there at 7, but you showed up late without even acknowledging it. To you, it feels minor, something she should brush off. But to her, every broken promise, no matter how small, chips away at her trust in you. Because what she hears isn't, "he forgot." What she hears is, "I can't count on him." Reliability is sexy to a woman. It makes her feel safe, secure, and valued. When you fail at the little things, she starts to wonder, if he can't keep his word about the basics, how can I trust him with my heart, my future, or my life? And here's the brutal truth. Women rarely explode over one broken promise, but they quietly lose faith over 100 little ones. By the time you notice her pulling back, the damage is already done. Even if she once wanted to be yours, she won't stay with a man whose word means nothing. 4. Failing to communicate. Nothing starves a relationship faster than silence. And I'm not just talking about ignoring her calls or shutting down during arguments. I mean the cold one-word replies, the vague, "I'm fine," when she can clearly feel you're not. The way you hold back your truth instead of being open with her. To a woman, that silence feels like rejection. It makes her question if you're drifting, if you're hiding something, or if she even knows the man she's with anymore. And here's the raw truth. Women don't disconnect because the love isn't there. They disconnect because they no longer feel seen or heard. A relationship without real communication turns into two strangers sharing the same space. And she'll start to emotionally check out long before she physically leaves. Because while men often crave peace, women crave connection, and connection dies without words. So every time you choose silence over honesty, distance over dialogue, you're not protecting the relationship, you're suffocating it. And eventually, Even if she wanted to be yours, she won't stay with a man who makes her feel invisible. 5. Making her compete for your attention. Nothing wounds a woman deeper than realizing she has to fight for space in the life of the man she chose. At first, she'll brush it off when your phone gets more eye contact than she does, or when your friends always come first, or when you entertain other women just to keep your options open. But over time, that pattern doesn't just sting, it convinces her she's not a priority. And here's the reality. A woman who feels like she's competing for your attention will eventually stop competing at all. She'll pull back her energy, her softness, her effort, because love should never feel like a contest. And the day she decides she deserves to be first in someone's life, not a backup, not a distraction, not an option, that's the day you'll realize you didn't just lose her affection, you lost her respect. And once a woman stops respecting you, there's no winning her back. 6. Not growing as a man. Understand this. A woman doesn't choose you just for who you are today. She chooses you for the man she believes you're becoming. She wants a partner she can build with, not a boy she has to babysit. When she looks at you, she's searching for vision, ambition, and drive, signs that you're not just standing still, but moving towards something bigger. The moment she realizes you're content with mediocrity, that you have no plans, no hunger, no progress, something inside her begins to shift. Because here's the truth, respect fuels attraction. Once she loses respect, desire doesn't survive much longer. You may think she left because of another man, but often she leaves because she got tired of waiting for you to become the man she could admire. And the cruel part, by the time you finally wake up and decide to grow, she'll already be building the life she once wanted to build with you, but with someone else who never stopped moving forward. 7. Taking her love for granted. Too many men make the mistake of believing that once a woman loves them, she'll stay forever, no matter how poorly she's treated or how little effort is given in return. But love is not unconditional when it comes to respect, effort, and appreciation. When she gives her time, her patience, her loyalty, and you treat it like it's guaranteed, like she has nowhere else to go, you're silently teaching her that her love holds no value in your eyes. At first she'll forgive, she'll stay, she'll hope you'll wake up and see what you have. But over time, unappreciated love doesn't just stay, it transforms, it turns cold, it pulls back. And eventually, the very woman who once poured her soul into you will stop trying altogether. Not because she stopped loving you, but because she realized her love was being wasted. And the day she withdraws it, you'll understand the brutal truth. No matter how much she once wanted to be yours, no woman stays where she feels taken for granted. Vital wisdom. At the end of the day, losing a woman rarely happens in one big moment. It happens in the quiet neglect, in the hesitation, in the little cracks that keep growing, until respect and desire are gone. And once a woman loses respect, once she feels her love is being taken for granted, no amount of begging or promises can bring her back. So, if you've ever wondered why a woman who once wanted to be yours no longer fights for you, understand this. She didn't leave because she stopped loving. You lost her because you didn't protect her love while you had it.